If you're looking for a simple and easy recipe for the big game, then stay tuned. I know I am looking forward to the halftime show in this year's big game. In the comments below, tell me one of the two teams that was in the Super Bowl when Janet Jackson had her famous malfunction. Now let's get busy making some bean dip. To make this recipe, you will need some tortilla chips, a package of any type of shredded cheese you would like, a container of sour cream, a can of refried beans, and a jar of salsa. These simple ingredients will make a delicious bean dip. It is so easy to simply throw this recipe together. Just preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Layer in your refried beans. On top, put your sour cream, followed by your salsa, and then add your cheese on top and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling.
This video is an open collaboration by my wonderful friend Tiffany. Please check out her channel at SmallTown6, and I will also link the other videos in this playlist.
Together, if I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
It's so good. Just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.